guys, it's Jasmine, and in today's video I'm going to be watching Younite's comeback, Waterfall. I'm quite excited for it because I don't know if you guys know this, but Younite is literally one of my top groups, okay? Literally my top 3 groups to ever exist. Love them the mostest. I literally love them so freaking much. And I've been waiting for this comeback for so long because their last comeback was feels like forever ago. Literally feels like a year. I think it was literally last fall. I don't remember. It's literally felt like so long ago because they also promoted for months. Speaking of them promoting for months, Younite, if you're watching this, I'm so sorry that I didn't enter a fan sign last time. Well, that's a lie. I did enter fan signs last time, but I didn't get into any, unfortunately, because they hate me and they don't want us to see each other again, apparently. But I did try, okay? I tried freaking 3 or 4 times, okay? And as y'all know, as y'all should know, Steve, if you're watching this, you know I can't afford I can't afford it, okay? But I did try my best. We're just gonna have to hope for the best for this comeback, okay? Because I miss them so bad. I literally miss them so bad. I must talk to them at least once. But I'm so excited for this. Literally, all the little highlight clips that they posted, this song, it's truly giving summer bop, you know? I want to listen to this in the car with my windows down on a hot day, which I live in Florida, so every day's a hot day. So I would literally just have my windows down blasting this. I'm so excited. Okay, hope y'all are ready. Okay. Oh, Stevie. Oh. Bro, Steve's black hair. I must meet him with his black hair. I must. Oh, I love it already. Well, yes. Yes. Bro, Woodstock is the cutest person I've ever seen. Let's just get on a regular day. Shut up. So sorry, I was just shaking my Steve. Drugs up. That was the freaking cutest song I've ever heard in my life. There's more. Yes, Steve, yes. Not. I love them so much. I literally, quite literally loved every single second of that. Why was that the cutest song I've ever listened to in my life? The music video, oh, they looked, I love a nice, refreshing, like, song, you know? Especially the music video, like, oh, I love the bright colors and the fun. That song's gonna be stuck in my head all day. Literally all day. I'm just gonna be like, Waterfall. I'm obviously not gonna sound as good as them. Sorry. But, bro, can y'all go on tour? Please. Please go on tour. Like, I need to see this live. Bro, I will be barricade, front row, screaming this at the top of my lungs. So please don't rob me of this experience. Bro, me and Younite, we're besties for the resties, okay? Like, I was gonna love this regardless. I just knew it was gonna be good. Like, it was obviously gonna be such a fun time. And like, when I saw like the teaser, literally just the teaser alone, I was like, oh, like that song is literally gonna be Bop of the Summer. And it quite literally is exactly that. Bro, I'm so excited. Oh, I'm so excited to listen to the album. I don't know about y'all, but personally, from watching all the little teasers, my favorite, I think, is gonna be Icy. I think. Yeah, that was the one that like really caught my eye. But they all sound so good. And like, the thing about me is that like, I'm gonna listen to all of them, and after every single song, I'm gonna be like, oh, that one's my favorite. And then I'm gonna listen to the next one and be like, no, I lied, this one's my favorite. And then the next one. And by the end of it, I have no idea which one my favorite is. So we'll see about that. It'll probably take me approximately like 5 listens to figure it out. But we'll get there eventually. Okay, we'll get there eventually, and that's all that matters. Anyways, I just love Younite so much. They're really my besties for real. Like, I just love them to death. Would die for them. 10 out of 10 would recommend. If y'all don't stand Younite, you should probably do that. Like, very much so do that. They're literally the sweetest boys ever. I love them. Oh, I love them so bad. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.